Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token and Robinhood. Of course, a lot of people believe that it will be difficult for Tectonic token to get listed on Binance, on Coinbase, on Robinhood. Crypto.com have already listed this coin. They are the one strongly behind this coin, and I believe Crypto.com are one of the top crypto exchanges. So people believe, of course, with Crypto.com, Tectonic token is going to go far. Now, Robinhood have actually said they are planning to list small cap coins this year. Now, when they mention small cap coin, I think Tectonic token is one of the best small cap coin right now, because this year they started this year with an impressive increase in price. Even when other coins are actually on red, even some top coins we also saw Tectonic token starting the year with an impressive increase in price, and the demand have started increasing. If of course they have already gained over $11 million more market cap this year alone, that shows people are really getting interested on Tectonic token, and I hope that this coin will continue to increase. I hope to see the market cap hitting over $100 million soon. Now, I believe that, of course, Robinhood might also be looking at Tectonic token to list this coin, and I hope the developers still need to work more harder to get this coin listed by not just Robinhood but by other top crypto exchanges. Now, I believe just like what Robinhood said, they said if the small cap coins can meet up with the terms and conditions, that they will actually partner and accept this coin, and I hope to see Tectonic token founders and developers need to work harder to get this coin listed on Robinhood, listed on Coinbase, and listed on Binance, listed on Get.io, listed on Kucoin. That is what we really help Tectonic token to hit over 1,000 or 10,000 or 100,000% increase in price soon. Yes, remember Shiba Inu gained a lot of support from crypto exchanges with massive listing almost at the same period, and we also saw what happened with Shiba Inu. Now, Robinhood still have about 6 zeros, and I believe this coin can really increase in price if they will start getting massive support from the crypto exchanges, especially the top exchanges, and I believe Robinhood can really help push Tectonic token to hit a massive increase in price. Of course, let's keep hoping for the best this year. Let's keep hoping for crypto industry in general to to really rise in price this year, especially Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin already started increasing. I hope to see this year becomes a bullish year. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.